I got my converter off. Now I can get my bolts out. That's a heck of a way to get your converter off, though. Oh, yeah. Morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at. Or Dexter or Wrecker or my last one remaining chicken. But anyways, just wanted to show you. I got my converter off. Now I just got to get them out. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and all other happy horse shit. Happy Duramaxes and Silverados and Wyatt's brother in heaven, I guess. Anyways, later.